Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use stickers on the whiteboard in a Zoom meeting on the Zoom app. So if you are on the whiteboard, you are presenting and you would like to add a sticker or emoji, a GIF, something, then you will have to go to the left side on the toolbar. And here on the bottom you can see this emoji head. You just tap on it and you can find here stamps, stickers, and gifts also on the bottom. If you would like to find more of something, you just can switch on the stamps, emojis, stickers, and you can search on specific ones by tapping on the search bar and typing in, for example, heart, and you can browse between these. And after that you will have to tap on that one that you selected. And when you go back, you can see here I added these two hearts, and you can move them around here by tapping on them. You can make them bigger if you would like to, smaller. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.